To start our clue today, I'm going to cut up 3 lemons. The main thing for this tip is the acidic effect of the lemon, and in a container I am going to squeeze only the liquid from the lemons. Now we are also going to use a soap, and to facilitate preparation, I am going to grate it completely. I am sure that you will be impressed by the effectiveness of using this product. Then I will add the soap completely in a pot. The next essential element for this tip is detergent. The ideal amount to use is 150 milliliters. I will also add half a cup of soap powder. Finally, we are going to add 2 cups of water and the juice of the 3 lemons, and we are going to turn on low heat and stir constantly until all the soap is completely melted. This soap is totally different from all the ones bought in the markets and has much better use. Always remembering to mix well so you add a new ingredient. We can also add lemon peels, bringing greater acidity to the soap. Finally, I am going to add a tablespoon of baking soda. Its alkaline effect in contact with the other ingredients is what makes this tip different from all traditional soaps. Once at this point, we can remove the pot from the heat. To complete our soap, we must completely place the mixture in other containers that will serve as a format for the soap. You just need to close the container and put it in the refrigerator for 5 hours, and the soap will be ready for use. And before I forget, tell me what city you're seeing us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Maria, from Brazil. She's glad you're enjoying our advice. After time in the refrigerator, this is the consistency of soap. It is very easy to use. Only apply the soap with the use of a sponge or steel wool. Without much effort, any stain will come out of your pots. Then just rinse under running water and you will notice a shine on your pots that you didn't have in a long time. I hope you enjoyed our advice today. Without a doubt, all the ingredients we use already have their home, which will show you a great product with a low cost. I appreciate you watching this video this far. I'll see you in the next video.